Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. A cat hotel for all of us cat lovers. Finally we get a set dedicated to cats. So this is the Lego Friends cat hotel set. Love Naomi's hair and I love this sleeping cat. I really am in love with this set. So 445 pieces in this. It is a bit expensive at $50, but BigW had a sale and I got it for $40. Loving the look. I really want to build this. I've been waiting for it for ages. I really love the color palette of this and the design look. It looks really good. So let's check it out. We get 4 numbered bags here. These 2 plates. Cool set of stickers. That looks like little kitty treats. Here's the instructions and where's the map? Hey Ollie, Ollie's waving to us and his cat Gertrude there. I cannot find the map. I don't think it's here. I think it's a secret location for the cat hotel in Heart Lake City. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alrighty, let's build. The very fashionable Ollie's here with his grey pants and they look like navy blue cuffs there. His shoes have gold details there and I love his jacket with that metallic blue sleeves. I really like that. Oh, at the back for Ollie. He's got this little pin there on his jacket. I'm loving it. We're going to give him a mobile to hold and this cat toy because he's going to be playing with his cat. And this is Gertrude and she has the same little symbol on her little collar there. So they're matchy. And then we have not so grumpy cat here. So the same mould, just this cat looks a lot happier. And all these chocolate colours, looks cool, and a little tiny shadow. Now I believe this is Alia's little cat. And here's the lady who runs the hotel. Her name is Naomi. She is rocking these sand blue bell-bottom pants. She's got glasses and this green shirt that's tucked in. She's got like a double belted belt there. Loving that hair of hers. It's wild. Starting with the little builds for this set. This is a comfy looking couch with lots of scratches. Gertrude's come along, she's going to scratch and sit there. And we've got like a little chaise lounge here with more scratches because the cats like scratching that. My cat's going to test it out. No scratching there, Mickey, please. This is a little cat stand. Love that. And now we need the little kitty litter box and with some deposits left inside. Time to start the cat hotel. There's a little food bowl there. And I'm loving that there's 3 sections for the cats. So each cat gets a little like chair and a cat stand to play with. This has been thought out really well. And we get like a little garden area too for the cats. I'm really loving the colour palette and the use of the blues and oranges. That's like a little climbing post. Love those blue windows. And check out this door, we get a cat flap and love the use of parts there for the door handle. Here's a bit where we're going to have like a little ledge on the side there for the cats to crawl up. Loving the orange there. This build is actually larger than I expected it to be. And this use of parts like the wheel arches for the top of the windows. Extra details there on the facade. I'm really liking this. This here is the catwalk so they can walk from one end to the other and be up high because cats like being up high. Look at that. They're going to crawl across there. This is a little computer, I guess, to log everyone in who comes to the hotel. Here's a little little cat hotel sign and showing it's a 5-star hotel. I really love that we are getting brick-built signs for the front of our shops and things. Like this is the little cat head, and this is going to go on top to show that it's a sleepy cat hotel. This is gorgeous. It's a ginger ninja cat, and look at his little paws hanging over, and there's the little sleepy sign. Oh my goodness. Now time to build the tree here because the cats are allowed to go outside in this section and climb the tree. Loving the different coloured greens that we get for the leaves. There needs to be a little ladder on the back of the tree just in case a kitty cat gets stuck. You can climb up and rescue it. So there's the rest of the leaves for the tree. I love the way this tree's built. Need a bin on the side there to scoop up the poop, and some kitty treats here. Time to put everyone inside. And there's Gertrude. We've got the chaise lounge and the cat stand. So now I need to pop the rest of the kitties in there. Pop Pixel in. No, Pixel is going to try out this litter box. She's going to stay out here. And oh, Shadow's climbing the tree too. I love this set. My cat will demonstrate how awesome this cat hotel is. So scratch the chair, sleep for 3 hours, time to climb the post up here, crawl across the catwalk, jump on the cat stand, and crawl through that space to go outside to the tree. So he's going to check out this tree. There's some treats there. Scratch the tree a bit. Jump down. I'll just move that chair. He's going to do the litter box thing. Cover up the poop. And go back up. And rub himself on the tree there a bit. He's a bit hungry from all this adventure. And I think he's tired now. He's going to go for his 18-hour nap. Pixel's coming through the cat flap to play with the little fish toy. The cats are getting some attention here with kitty treats and playtime. They're trying out this catwalk and playing chasey. And I don't know why Ollie looks super happy cleaning up poop. The Lego Friends Cat Hotel. Oh my gosh, I love everything about this set. The front of this set is so gorgeous. Love the use of parts. I love the colour palette and how they did it. There's not too many crazy colours together. That cat sign is adorable. Everything inside is great. I think the designers must have cats because they have done this perfectly. So everyone, get your bricks out.